Imagine a 60-second window where a software assistant debugs a massive codebase, synthesizes a market research report, and generates a broadcast-quality training video simultaneously. This is the transition from generative AI, which produces simple text or code, to agentic AI, systems capable of pursuing multi-step, adaptive goals with limited human oversight. As these agents absorb repetitive tasks, research from BCG shows that the cognitive load on human workers intensifies. With the routine work automated, the remaining tasks are concentrated in high-level problem-solving and decision-making, requiring continuous, intense mental engagement. Global economic data suggests this shift is splitting the labor market into two distinct paths, with the value of human labor diverging based on how a job reacts to automation. The period where humans served as simple task executors is ending. The future rewards those who can orchestrate these systems, while those who remain in roles focused on routine execution face a mounting risk of displacement. Data from the World Economic Forum indicates that 120 million workers globally are at risk of redundancy within the next 3 to 5 years. These risks are concentrated in roles defined by routine, such as data entry, basic bookkeeping, and standard customer service support. This PwC infographic, analyzing over 1 billion job ads, establishes how AI reshapes human work. 52% of jobs are being democratized. Here, AI takes on complex technical tasks, lowering the skill barrier and shifting roles towards less specialized activities. This follows a historical pattern. This photograph shows an early IBM computer office, a reminder of how previous waves of technology displaced routine administrative work by turning specialized manual calculations into automated processes. While these democratized jobs may still exist, their economic value often declines. Because the expertise required for the role has been lowered, the pool of potential workers expands, causing wages to stagnate. However, the same dataset shows that higher AI exposure is linked to significant headcount and wage growth in a separate category of work. These are professionalized jobs. Here, AI automates the basic, repetitive tasks and elevates the importance of human expertise and judgment. Since 2021, these professionalized roles have seen 42. While automated systems track flights, human controllers are essential for managing unpredictable emergencies and ethical trade-offs. In this track, AI does not replace the worker. It acts as a magnifier that increases the market value of human expertise. If machines can process data more efficiently than people, why are employers paying a higher premium for human involvement in these specific roles? The requirements for entry-level jobs are changing. In AI-exposed fields, 52% of the new skills requested for junior roles are traditionally senior capabilities, such as motivational leadership and strategic decision-making. This chart visualizes the EPOC framework, which identifies the abilities most resistant to automation: empathy, physical presence, ethical judgment, original creativity, and leadership. Employers are adding tasks that rely on these human-intensive abilities 2.5 times faster than traditional technical tasks. Evidence from enterprise adoption suggests that mandating AI usage through performance reviews often backfires. When employees feel pressured to meet usage quotas, their work becomes performative, focused on showing activity rather than delivering quality. Without human oversight and contextual judgment, the value of the automated output often declines. Career success in the 2030 economy depends on a shift in perspective. The most resilient strategy is to master the orchestration of AI agents while leaning into the irreplaceable human judgment that validates their work.